Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of webcams. We will be comparing the Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam and the EMEET C960. Both of these webcams are popular choices, but which one is the better option for you? Let's find out. Let's start by taking a closer look at the Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam. This webcam is specifically designed and optimized for professional quality video streaming on social gaming and entertainment sites like Twitch and YouTube. It offers vibrant, true-to-life HD 1080p video at 30 FPS or 720p at 60 FPS. Now, let's shift our focus to the EMEET C960. This webcam offers unmatched clarity with true 4K resolution, thanks to its genuine EMEET SmartCam C960 4K CMOS sensor. It provides ultra-clear visuals, making you feel like you're in the same room with your colleagues, students, or audience during remote business meetings or online classes. When it comes to camera quality, both webcams offer impressive performance. The Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam delivers vibrant, true-to-life HD 1080p video at 30 FPS or 720p at 60 FPS. On the other hand, the EMEET C960 takes it up a notch with its true 4K resolution, providing ultra-clear visuals that make you feel like you're in the same room with your colleagues or audience. Moving on to audio quality, both webcams have built-in microphones. The Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam features two built-in microphones that capture your voice in rich stereo audio. These mics offer a good audio experience for streaming or video conferencing purposes. On the other hand, the EMEET C960 takes it a step further with its dual AI noise-canceling microphones. These microphones are empowered with noise-suppressing algorithms, providing crisp and natural audio quality. This makes the C960 a great choice for conference calls and remote teaching where clear communication is paramount. In terms of additional features, the Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam offers background replacement technology, allowing you to integrate your live image and any background scene right onto your stream. This feature adds an extra layer of immersion to your content. On the other hand, the EMEET C960 comes with autofocus technology, ensuring clear and stable focusing in various scenarios like business conferences and educational lectures. It also provides auto light adjustment, allowing you to conduct meetings in different lighting conditions without compromising visibility. The Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam is highly recommended for podcasting and content creation. It has exceptional 1080p HD camera quality, impressive low-light performance, built-in dual microphones, and a background removal tool. The EMEET C960 is considered a solid choice for a simple camera and microphone for the Mac Mini. It has great image quality and stability, making it suitable for office use. However, it does not allow for adjusting the width of the screenshot, which may be problematic for some meetings. Now let's talk about the price. The Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam is priced at $99, while the EMEET C960 comes in at $59. Both webcams offer great value for their respective price points, but it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. To summarize, if you're looking for a webcam that delivers excellent HD video quality and offers background replacement technology, the Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam is a solid choice. However, if you prioritize true 4K resolution, autofocus technology, and AI noise-canceling microphones, the EMEET C960 might be the better option for you. That's it for today's comparison between the Logitech C922x Pro Stream webcam and the EMEET C960. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and remember to always buy smart.